Hi, Bimmers! Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll show you some tips and tricks when you're already changing the oil and want to reset the service light in the 2010 to 2024 BMW X1. I will bring a little more awareness and highlight some of those things in this video, so stay tuned for that. In this section, I'll show you how to reset the engine oil service light in the 2010 to 2015 BMW X1 or E84. So let's do it. Step 1. Put the key in and press the start button once. Step 2. Hold the dash button down until you see triangle and the service menu comes up. Step 3. Use the up or down button on the left stalk to scroll through the service menu and find the engine oil. Step 4. Press the BC button till reset appears on the screen. Step 5. Hold down the BC button to confirm it and you're done. Okay guys, now we're going to reset the oil service light on the 2016 to 2022 BMW X1 or F48. So this is how you reset it. Step 1. Push the start button once, but don't touch any pedals. Step 2. Press and hold the dash button to go through and wait till the service menu comes up. Step 3. If you do not see the engine oil icon, press the dash button repeatedly to find it. Step 4. Hold your finger on the dash button and it'll say reset. Step 5. Hold down the button one more time to confirm it and you're done. In this section, I'll guide you to reset the oil service light on the 2023 to 2024 BMW X1 or U11. So let's see how it's done. Step 1. Hit the start button 3 times and wait until Diagnostic Mode Active pops up on the display. Step 2. Press and hold the setting button on the right thumb area of the steering wheel until you see the service menu. Step 3. If you're not on the engine oil menu, press the setting button repeatedly to find it. Step 4. Hold down the setting button until reset appears on the screen. Step 5. Press and hold the setting button again and wait until the reset progress bar finishes and you're done. So that is it for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you have any feedback, feel free to leave it in the comments section. Please subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Anyway, thanks for your time and until next time.